Okay, let us recap on what we were learning about today. So, since we were talking about satellites, we said, what is satellite? We're talking about satellite. And who can tell us what is a satellite? We say a satellite is a very advanced technical device that orbits the Earth. And we said the satellites contain what? Contain the sensors. And we must know the functions of the sensors. We said sensors gather data about Earth and relay it to ground-based satellites receiving stations. Since the satellite is above the Earth, and on the ground we have what? Receiving station. So the satellite will gather the information from above the Earth. The satellite will gather the information. So after gathering that information, the receiving station on the ground will collect or will receive that data, so that as people or as humans we can use the data. So we say sensor collect or receive the data. And here is another keyword that we talked about. What is data? Yes, correct. Data, it is an unprocessed or raw information. Let's say the satellite will take a picture of something, and the receiving station will receive it. That information, we call it a data, because no one analyzed that information or interpret that information. So that is a data. Then different types of satellite images are created using the information. Images from space are not pictures. So what you must know, the satellite images are not pictures. And information is transmitted from the satellite to receiving centers on the ground. This is what we were talking about. And the data are processed by computers, which then provide various images for us to examine and analyze. So, first, which means if you can create your own information flow. For an example, satellite, it gather the data. Sensors, it collect or receive the data. And we said ground station. In ground station, we have computers. The computers analyze the data. But after that, we as humans, we use that data for what? For mapping, weather forecast, cloud patterns, land use, agriculture, vegetation, forestry. Even in military operation, we can use the data that we collected from the satellite. Okay, now we are going to answer this question. I'll give you few minutes to get answers for this question. What is a sensor? What are functions of sensors? And what are the uses of satellites? Each and every one must write the answers of these questions. The class activity, we have a class activity on page 66 on your learner's book. The question says, study the following satellite images of United Kingdom and Africa, taken on the same day at the same time. What can you say about the weather condition in each place after studying the images? So here, you have two pictures, United Kingdom picture, image, United Kingdom image, and Africa image, satellite image. So you will talk about the weather condition in these two places. So if you talk about weather, you have to talk about precipitation, you have to talk about cloud coverage, you have to talk humidity, about humidity and everything. So this class activity will do the remedial work tomorrow. For today, you have to write this work, and yeah, thank you.